Hello, food lovers! Today, we are diving into the delicious world of the Mediterranean diet. Imagine vibrant veggies, juicy fruits, fresh fish, and heart-healthy olive oil. That's what this way of eating is all about. It's not about strict rules, it's about enjoying delicious, wholesome food that makes you feel fantastic. For centuries, people around the Mediterranean Sea have thrived on this way of eating. And guess what? It's not just about the food itself, but also about the joy of sharing meals with loved ones. It's about slowing down, savoring each bite, and appreciating the good things in life. The Mediterranean diet is more than just a diet. It's a lifestyle. It's about taking pleasure in preparing and sharing meals with the people you care about. So let's explore the magic of the Mediterranean together. What makes the Mediterranean diet so special? It's all about fresh whole foods and simple, delicious flavors. Picture this: colorful salads bursting with flavor, grilled fish seasoned to perfection, and juicy fruits bursting with sunshine. Think of your plate as a rainbow. Load up on colorful vegetables like tomatoes, cucumbers, peppers, and leafy greens. Add in some protein power with beans, lentils, fish, or a little bit of lean meat. And don't forget healthy fats from olive oil, avocados, and nuts. Herbs and spices are your secret weapons. They add amazing flavor and aroma to your dishes. Think oregano, basil, thyme, garlic, and a sprinkle of chili flakes. Don't be afraid to experiment and find your favorites. Remember, the Mediterranean diet is all about balance and enjoyment. It's not about depriving yourself, but about nourishing your body with the good stuff. Ready to get cooking? Let's start with some quick and easy recipes that will make your taste buds sing. First up, a classic Greek salad. Chop up some juicy tomatoes, cucumbers, red onion, and bell peppers. Toss them with Kalamata olives, creamy feta cheese, a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil, and a sprinkle of oregano. So simple, yet so delicious. Next, how about a tasty and satisfying lunch? Imagine grilled chicken skewers marinated in lemon, garlic, and herbs. Thread bite-sized pieces of chicken onto skewers, brush them with the marinade, and grill them to perfection. Serve them with a side of fluffy rice or a refreshing salad. Yum! For a quick and healthy snack, try hummus with veggie sticks. This creamy chickpea dip is packed with protein and fiber. Dip crunchy carrots, celery, or bell pepper strips into the hummus for a satisfying and nutritious treat. Remember, cooking Mediterranean style is all about keeping it simple and fresh. Let the natural flavors of the ingredients shine through. Section 4. Family Feasts. Sharing the goodness. One of the most beautiful things about the Mediterranean lifestyle is the emphasis on sharing meals with loved ones. Imagine gathering around a table filled with colorful dishes, the sound of laughter filling the air, and the aroma of delicious food making your mouth water. For a family feast, why not try a classic Italian pasta dish? Imagine a big pot of spaghetti aglio e olio spaghetti tossed with garlic, olive oil, chili flakes, and a sprinkle of fresh parsley. It's simple, quick, and utterly delicious. Another crowd pleaser is a Greek moussaka. This layered dish features eggplant, ground lamb, potatoes, and a creamy bechamel sauce. It takes a bit longer to prepare, but trust me, the results are worth it. And for a sweet treat, whip up a batch of Greek yogurt with honey and chopped nuts. It's a light, refreshing, and satisfying dessert that everyone will love. Sharing meals together is not just about filling our stomachs, but also about nourishing our souls. It's a time to connect, laugh, and create lasting memories. Section 5. Your body will thank you. Health benefits. Eating a Mediterranean-style diet isn't just about enjoying delicious food. It's also about fueling your body with the nutrients it needs to thrive. Studies have shown that this way of eating can have amazing health benefits. The abundance of fruits, vegetables, and olive oil in the Mediterranean diet provides antioxidants, which can help protect your cells from damage. The emphasis on fish, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, is great for heart health, and the fiber from whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and legumes can aid digestion and keep you feeling full and satisfied. But it's not just about physical health. The Mediterranean diet can also boost your mood and brain power. Studies have linked this way of eating to a reduced risk of cognitive decline and depression. By making simple swaps and incorporating more fresh whole foods into your diet, you can make a positive impact on your overall health and well-being. Section 6. Dive into delicious. Embracing the Mediterranean lifestyle. So there you have it, a glimpse into the magic of the Mediterranean diet. It's not about deprivation or strict rules, but about embracing a way of eating that nourishes your body and soul. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. Start by incorporating more fruits, vegetables, and whole grains into your meals. Experiment with herbs and spices to add flavor and excitement to your dishes. And most importantly, enjoy the process of cooking and sharing meals with loved ones. So why not embark on a culinary adventure and explore the delicious world of the Mediterranean diet? Your taste buds and your body will thank you for it.